This video made possible by Buy Mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we're going to show you how to add and remove a contact from an Oppo Reno. So you want to look for either two things. One is the phone section here, the phone app. That's in the bottom left corner by default. Or you could go to the Contacts app, which is currently in the Tools section. So if you go to Tools, Contacts is right here. So let's click on that. So we have 0 contacts as a brand new phone. So you can either import contacts from a SIM card or from a V card, which you can basically get sent to you. You can store it on the phone, from another phone, etc., etc. So let's just make a new one. So just go to the plus sign up here, and let's put in some name and contact info. Okay, and so there are some additional things you can put in: additional phone numbers, email, birthday, date, etc., related persons. And if you go way down, you can also see that you can set things like custom ringtones, which is actually really cool. So like, for example, if you put your boss in there and you give him a custom ringtone, you'll know exactly when your boss is calling you to decide whether you want to pick up or not, or send it straight to voicemail. You can assign groups to these things. There's actually more info you can put in, things like middle names, suffixes, instant messenger accounts, etc., nicknames, websites. Some of the Android phones include this in the main thing. Some of them kind of hide them down here, but there's basically all this kind of additional information you can do. You can add related people, etc. So like perhaps this person's spouse, if you have their number too. So yeah, that's basically it. Let's also include a photo. So we'll select a photo from our album. So what have we taken on our camera in the last couple of days? Oh, there is the penguin guy. Okay, so we'll put this in and we'll maybe zoom it a little bit. So anytime you get a call from this number, from Joe Blow, now this picture will show up when it's ringing too. So that's actually pretty cool. We always love stuff like this. So when you're done, save it. And so that's how you create a contact. If you want to delete a contact, it's actually super simple. So let's just go back up here. Actually, let's go all the way to the top. So you can also go to the phone. And in the phone, there's actually multiple tabs here. So contacts is the second one. And we see Joe Blow here under the letter J. So go to that one. And now you can basically just delete the contact right here and confirm. So not much to it. Pretty easy, actually. And last but not least, if you want to edit this, there's always the edit button up here on the top right. And so there you go. So you can edit it, you can change ringtone, you can do all kinds of information. And if you're done, just don't forget you can always delete it there too. Okay, so that's it for today. Check out other videos for the Oppo Reno and many other popular phones here on Howtechs. See you guys next time. Bye. This video made possible by buymobile.com.au. Card is here on the bottom right. And there's also a very small notch here on the bottom right as well. You guys can see that. There's also